We're here at Highland Hill Farm and we're awaiting a massive storm that seems to be coming in. The weather is changing rapidly. The wind is starting to pick up. The sky is very, very dark up there. You can see the change in the sky over here. So we are... Hey, how you doing? You're on YouTube. We're getting ready to to take pictures of this big storm coming. It's a-coming.
My little...
There it is.
I might pull it out. And that's how easy it is. I put this up with this white approximates.
Right.
What's the name for it? It's not the balls, you know, it's a nice white oxalates.
Where do you want the green velvet?
I want something that's green all year, green velvet.
Mike, you have a great umbrella there.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. Rain's starting to come down a little bit better now. A couple minutes later. Large puddles forming. At Highland Hill Farm, we have a lot of different kinds of trees for you. We have both deciduous and evergreen. Some of the spruces that we have are like Colorado blue spruce, Norway spruce, white spruce, Serbian, Black Hill spruce, black spruce. We also have some firs, such as Fraser, balsam, Douglas, and concolor. Most of these are in seedling or transplants. We do have larger trees such as white pine, Norway spruce. We also sell a whole range of arborvitaes in many different sizes, from transplants up to large trees. The trees that we sell are both bare root and balled and burlapped and potted. We have thousands of them that we grow. We also have southwestern white pine, and we are noted for our green giant arborvitaes and Leland cypresses. We also have hemlocks up to 10 to 12 foot high, along with redwoods. We can also supply you with some bald cypress, larch, eastern red cedar. In the way of shrubs, we have arrowwood viburnums, bayberry, blackhaw viburnums, a whole range of viburnums, dogwoods, red, twig, silky dogwoods, elderberries. We also have forsythia, common lilacs, Japanese lilacs, Peking lilacs. We also have nannyberry, ninebark, and things such as Russian olive, which some people think is invasive. But we do sell a wide range of trees and shrubs, including winterberry holly. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 as we do deliver and plant.